hair tutorial for you today. I've titled this video Quick and Easy Curls because this is a look that I'm able to achieve quickly, and it's really simple. If you would like to see how I got these curls and some other tips as far as the process, I hope that you keep watching. This is my everyday look if I am curling my hair, which is most days. I will straighten it occasionally, but this is typically my go-to. So I hope you enjoy this. Make sure to give it a like if you do. In the comments you can let me know if you would like to see other tutorials. I hope you enjoy this, and stay tuned if you'd like to see how I got these quick and easy curls. This is my hair length. I have a little bit of layering, but not too much. So to prepare my hair, I used Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant Spray. This is just what I've been using. I like the smell of it. So what I did, I just sprayed it in and then I brushed it out, and it's just been sitting in here for a little bit. When I'm curling my hair, I like to go for more of a center part. So not like a huge difference, but well, kind of. And it doesn't need to be perfect for me either. I used to spend so much time on curling my hair, so one day I decided, what if I don't section it at all? Wondered what it might be like if I just don't take time to section it out and just go for it. That's what I did, and I ended up loving that process. I'm gonna divide it roughly in half. Clip that out of the way. Doesn't have to be perfect, mainly so that the back hairs don't keep getting in the way over there. So I'm just using this bedhead wand, curling wand. I've had this for years. It's worked really well, and I guess I can't really recommend a different one because I haven't used any, but I'm sure any wand you have will do. This is the tool that I will be using today to curl my hair. So I just grabbed a section, and what I'm gonna do, starting in the back, I'm gonna go away from my face and then towards my face until I get to about my ear, and then I'll do from that point on until the front. I will do all of them away from my face. It's kind of hard to see, but I leave about an inch out. So curly, and there will be some inconsistency with this, which I personally don't mind. I hold for about 10 to 20 seconds. I let it down, and then I flip it back. So again, alternating away from my face and towards my face. And the length of time this takes really depends on your hair, your length, the thickness, the texture. It just all depends on how your hair personally curls. My hair does curl well, and it holds curl for a long time. Kind of what it's looking like right now. And I don't touch them at all. I curl and then I toss them back. Alright, so I'm at the point where, well, let's see. I'm gonna do one more. So now I'm at the point where I'm at my ear. With all these pieces, I'm gonna curl them away from my face. Again, trying to leave about an inch or so at the end. Toss it back. There are some like little baby hairs. It depends on the day, but like today I'm not worried about getting those. As I get closer to the front of my face, I pay a little bit more attention to the curl just because I don't want it super, like a super tight spiral curl up front. I want it to be a little more loose, and I want it to be a little bit higher up. So this last section I typically just take into 2 sections. I hold the one, and we're gonna try and like spread the curl out a little bit more than I have been. It's not so much this one, but it's this last section that I do. Sweet. All right, looking pretty good. So this side is done. Typically when I'm totally completed, when I've curled all my hair, then I'll look back and see if there's any pieces I need to tweak. But for this, I'm not gonna worry about it anymore. Toss it back onto the other side. Again, I'm starting out with this first piece. I'll go away from my face and then I'll alternate going outward, inward, until I get to about my ear. I just saw a deer run by. So pretty. So I'm gonna do this last piece and then we're gonna start to go only away from my face, just like the other side. Okay. So I've started, but I'm doing these pieces are all going away from my face. And yeah, you can see like some of these blonde streaks. That's like all just naturally from the sun. All right. Paying a little more attention to these pieces. I have the side always is a little more tedious because of my little baby hair situation. Okay, so that was the last curl. This side has been sitting for a little while. This I obviously just finished, so this needs, I need to give this a little minute, a moment. So I'm just gonna push it all back. And I usually take this time, I mean typically I'm in my bathroom and I'll just kind of tidy up stuff I've been using. You could totally leave your hair like this with more of the tighter curl, but I personally like to loosen it up a little bit. So I've brought all of my curls to the front and I'm just gonna run my fingers through it. Typically, you know, I'll just start at the root and just shake it a little bit and then pull all the way through. So you can kind of see the difference, sort of, not really. And then this is the point where if there are some pieces, like, I mean this is kind of straight, but it'll blend in. Play with it for a little while. I don't put any hairspray in my hair, at least not the first day that I curl my hair. Typically just leave it alone, and then tomorrow if I need a little more volume, I might go in and, you know, just spray it a little bit to bring it back to life. Really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. It was super fun for me to film, and if you would like to see other hair tutorials, maybe I can show you how I straighten my hair, or updos, or any kind of braids, things like that, I can share those as well. Alright, take care, and I'll see you in my next one.